Here's how to connect Google Maps to your car's Bluetooth. Now, if you're in your car and your car has Bluetooth and you want to connect either your iPhone or Android to it so that it can navigate you in Google Maps, I'll show you how to do it. Now, the first thing we're going to do is hop into your settings and let's tap on Bluetooth here. Of course, this needs to be toggled on. If this was off, just tap it to turn it on. And you can see on here, you're just going to connect to whatever your car's Bluetooth is. So you need to first connect to it. Sometimes in a car, it will just automatically connect, or you might need to find it on this list and just tap it to connect to it. That's the first step. Now, the second thing that you can do is open up Google Maps here, and we're going to tap on your profile picture at the top right. Now, let's choose settings here towards the bottom, and then you can see at the top is navigation. Let's tap on that. Now you can see right here towards the top is play voice over Bluetooth. I'm going to turn this on, and you can see under that shows up play Bluetooth phone call. So I'm going to turn that on as well. Essentially what this does is it will force Google Maps to play over Bluetooth to your car so that your car's speakers will navigate, when you need to turn right or left and all of that stuff. And then you can just hop out of here, exit out of here, and you can start navigating somewhere, and it should play through the speakers in your car. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.